For the past 8 years, I have been journaling, and it has completely changed the way I think about life. What I discovered during my research was that some of the most successful people in the world also attribute their success to journaling. It is not just about writing down your thoughts. It's about talking to a different version of yourself. That is an upgraded version of yourself. And this is our GPS, your genius powered self. And this GPS is within each one of us, which has the power to offer clarity, guidance, and better decision making skills. In our fast paced world, we are bombarded with information on a daily basis. Our system records all sort of information, starting from knowledge to health to spirituality to healing, but still, we struggle to use this information effectively. Like you know the answer, but during the exam time you forget to write it. Or like you know you should complete the task within deadlines. You should eat healthy and exercise, but you keep taking impulsive decisions and get overwhelmed throughout the day. So let me share my experience where journaling changed everything for me when I faced a crossroads in my career path. I was confused about leaving my 9 to 6 job where I was feeling trapped, or working independently as an entrepreneur. So that was the confusion, where I could do even more than this with freedom. So what I did is I wrote down all my thoughts without judgment and then revisited them without after some time. What emerged was crystal clear clarity about what not to do. That is where I knew that I am not going back to that 9 to 6 job anymore. So writing everything helped me create that much needed space between me and my thoughts. And that's where my GPS, my genius powered self, started connecting with me, giving clarity of what I wanted to do and what I do not want to do. So this upgraded version of self within me started speaking, and I began my journey of helping people gain emotional clarity, become more efficient, and experience well-being in their lives. So there are multiple stories and aha moments I have experienced in my journaling journey. One powerful moment was when I was struggling to find my niche in my coaching journey. Journaling helped me list my strength, and my inner voice guided me to speak to my corporate clients. When I asked my clients, how have I added value to your lives? The feedback was overwhelming. They said they see me as someone who brought them clarity and solutions to their lives. So now it's in 2021, one day after my yoga practice, while I was journaling, a thought from within as a gift emerged and inspired me to create a coaching journal that would help people tap into their GPS and empower them to live a life of purpose and clarity and focus. That is where the Focus Factor Coaching Journal was born, a tool to connect with your upgraded self, your GPS. That version of you that holds all the answers. So let me make it super easy for you how you can start harnessing the power of journaling in your life. It is simpler than you think. So let's break it down into steps. Step 1. Start by setting aside a time, dedicate a few minutes each day or week to journal. It's an investment in yourself. Step 2. Choose your journaling medium. Whether you prefer a physical notebook or a digital tool, the choice is all yours. Step 3. Write freely. Don't censor your thoughts. Pour out of your innermost feelings and ideas without judgment. Step 4. Reflect and revisit and go back to your entries regularly. This is where the magic happens. Your upgraded self can provide insights that your present self might miss. Step 5. Ask questions. Sometimes pose questions to your journal. It's like having a conversation with your inner coach. Now that's where the Focus Factor Coaching Journal comes sorted for you. The Focus Factor is going to ask you those questions like a coach or mentor would ask you. And while answering them, you will meet your GPS, your upgraded version of yourself. Step 6. Set goals and intentions. Use your journal to clarify your goals and set intentions. Your journal becomes a roadmap to your future self. The Focus Factor Coaching Journal help you meet all the above steps and help you access the GPS in you. And that's where you experience a space of clarity, confidence, success, fulfillment, and happiness. So, just investing 10 minutes a week, you are already in the path of creating solutions and possibilities for yourself. It's like having a coach with you, guiding you through life's challenges. So, connect with your new you, live a life of purpose and happiness, and start journaling today, creating your own life's user's manual. Maybe that is why we are not born with a user's manual, because you can create one for yourself in the life journey that perfectly works for you with the Focus Factor Coaching Journal. So, invest your 10 minutes and start your journaling journey with the Focus Factor Coaching Journal. Link is given in the description box. Please do share this video to your loved ones who are struggling with brain fog, overthinking, procrastination, anxiety, overwhelm, and let them experience the possibilities to find and access to their GPS too. Remember, the power to change is within you, and your journal is the key to unlock it. So make your life a gala life and journal your way to success with the Focus Factor Coaching Journal. Take your clarity coach home today. This is Prem Sai, your clarity and focus coach, signing off.